Hello and welcome to our video on the science of weight loss, how to make it work for you. Losing weight can be a challenging process, but understanding the science behind it can help you to make it work for you. In this video, we will be discussing the key concepts and factors that play a role in weight loss, and how you can use this knowledge to achieve your goals. First, let's talk about the basics of weight loss. To lose weight, you need to create a calorie deficit, which means that you need to burn more calories than you consume. This can be achieved through a combination of diet and exercise. When it comes to diet, the key is to focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods that are low in calories but high in nutrients. This means eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It's also important to limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and high-calorie snacks. In terms of exercise, the most effective way to burn calories is through cardio exercises such as running, cycling, and swimming. However, it's also important to incorporate strength training into your routine as it helps to build muscle, which in turn helps to boost your metabolism. Now, let's talk about some of the key concepts that play a role in weight loss. First is metabolism. Your metabolism is the process by which your body converts food into energy. A higher metabolism means that you burn more calories at rest, which can make weight loss easier. Factors that can affect your metabolism include your age, gender, genetics, and muscle mass. Next is the role of hormones in weight loss. Hormones such as insulin, cortisol, and thyroid hormones play a crucial role in regulating your appetite, metabolism, and fat storage. Imbalances in these hormones can make weight loss more difficult. Another important concept is the role of inflammation in weight loss. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation has been linked to a variety of health issues, including weight gain. Eating a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and trans fats can contribute to inflammation, while a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can help to reduce it. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about how you can make the science of weight loss work for you. First, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise program. They can help you to determine your unique needs and set realistic goals that are achievable for you. Next, focus on creating a sustainable lifestyle change rather than trying to lose weight quickly. Crash diets and quick fixes may lead to short-term weight loss, but they're not sustainable in the long term. It's also important to find an exercise routine that you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, cycling, or something else. This will make it more likely that you'll stick to it and make it a regular part of your lifestyle. Finally, don't be too hard on yourself. Weight loss is a journey, and it's not always going to be easy. Remember to be kind to yourself and celebrate your small victories along the way. In conclusion, the science of weight loss is complex, but understanding the key concepts and factors that play a role in weight loss can help you to make it work for you. By focusing on a sustainable lifestyle change, consulting with a healthcare professional, and finding an exercise routine you enjoy, you can achieve your weight loss goals. Remember to be patient and kind to yourself, and always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise program. Remember that every body is different and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. And lastly, don't forget the importance of maintaining a balanced and healthy diet and regular exercise routine. This is the key to sustainable weight loss and overall health. Thanks for watching, and we hope that you found this video informative and helpful. For more information and tips on weight loss, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.